Now, what makes graduate studies at UT Engineering unique?
Well, I think it's a combination of two things, the size and the excellence of the people involved. Because of the number of professors and the number of students they're able to attract, we're able to cover a lot of ground in terms of the research topics that are handled. And in terms of excellence, and this is borne out by the number of national and international awards that our faculty are able to win, they're able to attract excellent students, and as a result we can compete internationally and perform very leading-edge research.
Now, almost 300 graduate students received their degrees last month, all of whom are sure to succeed in the engineering field and make a world of difference. In what ways do the graduate studies programs aid in their future successes?
Well, for our research degrees, so the Master of Applied Science and the Doctor of Philosophy, our students walk away with some very generic research skills that allow them to define difficult problems and come up with the right tools to solve them, both in universities and in industrial settings. And our Master of Engineering students come away with skills that allow them to contribute in industrial settings. So for example, they would come up with a breadth of knowledge in a particular area by virtue of the courses they've taken. And if they participate in something like our elite program, they can walk away with new management skills that allow them to be more effective as managers. And we know that a lot of engineers will end up in that role at some point in their career.
Now that we have an academic plan in place through 2016, can you tell us about the direction graduate studies is heading in the next 5 years?
Well, the main thing is our objective of obtaining 2,000 graduate students by the year 2015. So that would represent an 8% increase over where we're at right now. And we've got 3 years to get there, so I have every reason to believe we'll get there. We're also looking at collaborations with people outside our immediate campus. In particular, we're collaborating with the suburban campuses, namely University of Toronto Scarborough, on a program, as well as trying to collaborate with international partners on joint degree programs.
Wonderful. Thank you, Professor.
You're welcome.